Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Interactive Brokers. First, you will need an active Interactive Brokers account. If you do not have one, begin by completing the online application and funding your account. Next, navigate to your account settings and enable cryptocurrency trading permissions. This crucial step allows you to access the crypto market directly through the platform. Once enabled, you are ready to proceed with your first Bitcoin purchase. Once logged into your Interactive Brokers platform, whether it's Trader Workstation, the web portal, or the mobile app, locate the search bar. Type Bitcoin or its ticker symbol, BTC, to find the available trading options. Interactive Brokers offers various ways to gain exposure to Bitcoin, so select the direct cryptocurrency product. This ensures you are trading the actual digital asset, not a derivative. Now it's time to place your buy order. You have several order types to choose from, including market orders for immediate execution at the current price, or limit orders to buy at a specific price or better. Enter the quantity of Bitcoin you want to acquire, perhaps 1/10 of a coin or even a smaller fraction. Always double-check all the order details, including the price and quantity, before clicking the Submit button. After submitting your order, you will receive a confirmation once it has been executed. You can then view the trade details and see your new Bitcoin position reflected in your portfolio. Remember that Interactive Brokers charges a small commission for cryptocurrency trades, typically between 0.12% and 0.18% of the trade value, with a minimum fee of $1.75. Your Bitcoin is held securely with a third-party provider like Paxos Trust Company or Zero Hash LLC, simplifying custody.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.